Can you believe that this used to look like this? Water pumps for my 1992 BMW M5 are no longer available, so I decided to rebuild the existing one. The two wear items are the integral shaft bearing and the slip ring seal, which is what creates a leak-proof barrier between the rotating shaft and the pump housing. Since the S38 engine block is a derivative of the M30 block, I harvested a new bearing by tearing down a brand new M30 water pump, and since seals are widely available, I decided to go for it. I used a bearing separator and the torch and pressed off the drive pulley without an issue. There's a snap ring inside that needs to be removed. Then I drilled out the bearing shaft so it can be pressed out from the impeller through the front of the housing. The old slip ring seal comes out next, and it's time to give the housing some TLC. I pressed the harvested bearing in and installed the snap ring. The slip ring seal is next, and since it's spring-loaded, a special press arbor is required to interact with the seal so it's properly supported on its inner and outer faces. If there's too much pressure on either one, you'll damage the seal and the water pump will leak. The impeller must be offset from the housing by a certain distance to create the correct amount of fluid flow. So I took a baseline measurement from the M30 pump before I disassembled it and went super slow in the press while checking it with the machinist straight edge and feeler gauge. The belt pulley gets pressed on next, and I verified the complete pump width from end to end so the belts line up once it's installed. Next, I verified my repair by creating a test fixture with 1/2-inch plate aluminum. I drilled out the water pump pattern and added NPT threads with a pressure test gauge. I assembled it all, filled it with coolant, and it held 15 psi for 24 hours. Let me know what you think in the comments.